Welcome back to The Ragged Life. Now, as you know, we just got our concrete countertops installed by DAS, and we're so thrilled with them. Now, one of the things that I learned at the beginning about concrete as a countertop material is it is quite porous. So certain liquids, like let's say lemon juice or ketchup, something that's very acidic, can actually put little tiny pits and stains into the countertop. That's why DAS does this beautiful finish with beeswax. And when they left us with a nice container of beeswax so we could keep it nice and shiny for the length of its life. Now, some people really enjoy the patina look, and I'm one of them. If you remember in the first episode of this concrete part of the series, we were over at Tuck Interiors with Judith Mackin's place, and she is really excited to see her countertop go into a patina, which is allowing the scratches and the etches and the pits to happen, giving it that kind of raw finish, which is really exciting, something that I would like to have at our house. But for the sake of workshopping and showing us how to fix little errors and little pits, the DAS folks were really generous and came all the way back from DF, a 2-hour drive, to show us how to repair the different little etches if we don't want it to go to patina. So in this episode, it's really cool to see how easily it is to buff out little scratches, little nicks and pits, and how easy it is to bring it back to life, should that be the way that we want these countertops to live. Okay, so Emma, what's happening behind us here?
So we are here repairing a couple of etches on Greg's countertop. And so an etch is when the vinegar or lemon juice, an acidic substance, gets left on the counter and it reacts with the concrete, with the substance in the concrete, and leaves sort of like a lightish mark. So it's just on the surface. We put a penetrating sealer in our countertop so that it doesn't go deep. But it's still sort of a blemish on the counter, but it can be repaired very easily. And so Yannick over there is working on the repair, which really consists of taking diamond hand pads, which are easily accessible through us or on Amazon, and just working from a lower grit, sort of a coarser grit, up to a finer grit until we sort of got through that layer that has been etched, and then you get back to good old brand new concrete. Put another layer of beeswax on it and you're good to go.
Do you want to speak to the fact that a lot of people just let it go because it's a look?
Yeah, so sort of one of the beauties of concrete is that it's sort of an organic substance and it's living, and it does change over time. So occasionally you'll get sort of a big etch mark or something that drives you a little nuts, and it can be repaired, but over time, all of the little marks that you get on concrete sort of blend in and create what is called a patina, and that's part of what makes every concrete countertop unique. It tells the story of your family and your life as it goes, and then after a while they all blend in. So you have to get through that initial period of sort of panicking because you've got your first stain on your concrete countertop. But if you can get through that, then it all just becomes part of the look that many people love about concrete. But if some people are concerned, well, sort of down the road when I need to sell my house, what's going to happen? It's no longer about my story. So you can actually bring in a full-on polisher and refinish the whole countertop and have a brand new countertop to pass on to the next people. But yeah, in general, sort of the patina is part of the charm of concrete.
This concludes my little sub-series of The Ragged Life with the countertop section of our story. And as you can tell by the smile on my face, so incredibly excited and pleased with the final product. And I really want to sincerely thank Emma and Yannick from the DAS concrete countertop team. Like, wow, you guys brought so much extra, went over the top with my expectations, and with all the love, bringing this beautiful product to our house. And thank you also for bringing it to our province. We really need more startups like you in the manufacturing space, startups who are committed to sustainability, committed to affordability and durability. And if you in the audience are living in this general area of New Brunswick, and if you're looking for a concrete countertop, make sure you give Emma and Yannick a call at DAS. Thank you again for watching this episode, and make sure you hit subscribe. We have so many more episodes to come on the Ragged Life, but outside of that, we've got a bunch of other documentaries and TV series that Hemmings House has produced over the years that we're now just gaining the rights back from the television broadcasters. And we're gonna start releasing them on our YouTube channel. Super excited about that. Just a little bit of a hint. So please do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next releases after the Ragged Life is done. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you next week on the Ragged Life.